absolute truth. It is a fact beyond doubt that overwhelming majority of the people of Telangana wants a separate state. This is a clear truth. Let there be no dispute. There is a complaint that they were discriminated upon. There is a complaint that the merger, when it took place, there were some conditions, and those conditions were not adhered to by the governments that had ruled Andhra Pradesh. There is a complaint that there is an underdevelopment in that particular area. There is a complaint that temporary arrangements that have been made to address the grievances of the people of Telangana did not work well. It is a part of history. Therefore, madam, having respect to the emotion of the people of Telangana, having understood that integrity of a state cannot be maintained by coercion, we stand to support unequivocally the demand for a separate Telangana state. Unequivocally support. But there is a crisis in Telangana, in Andhra, and please don't mind. The political party in power in Andhra has to be blamed for the debacle that has been created. There is little more facts also. The central government has undoubtedly said that Telangana will be formed and the process will be initiated. There is also a part. It is said. I am saying that process will start. I am saying that. Sir, please listen to me. Process of setting up of a state will be initiated, but it was not done. And that has created a serious crisis today. Nobody can. Please, Mr. Rao, you cannot say there is no crisis. There is a crisis. Therefore, the indecision of the government of India can be taken to be a point, can be taken to be a factor which has aggravated the crisis in Telangana. I remember there was a committee set up under the chairmanship of Mr. Pranab Mukherjee. Only one party has not given an opinion. Sushma has forgotten to say that. No Congress party. Congress party. I do not know. If BJP has not given, there is also I am saying Congress party had not given an opinion in the all-party meeting. Therefore, madam, situation is very bad today. It needs a solution. Government of India, the statement of Honorable Chidambaram, I am coming to question. He is always looked upon as a man of strong will. He always says that. He is a man of strong will. I don't doubt the strength of his will. I may have difference with him, but is it the statement of a strong personality? There is indecision, full of he has only quoted some recommendations. These are all options. What government of India is saying? It is saying from the beginning that consultations will be made, consensus will be sought to be done, and at an appropriate time, maybe at an appropriate time will be when Mr. Chidambaram will not be in power or will not be in office. What is the appropriate time? Therefore, what I am accusing, my accusation is that the active role that the central government had to play in order to sort out the issue was not done. There is a disservice to the nation, not a disservice to Telangana alone. Please let us not stand in solidarity with Telangana. Let us stand in solidarity with whole of Andhra. Whole of Andhra is burning, not Telangana alone. Therefore, this indecision, this insipid character of the statement, this failure of the government to reach to a consensus because their house is in disorder. He has to make a statement because his house is in disorder. I have a pity.
Come to the question.
I only have a pity for a strong man. I only have a pity for a strong man. Therefore, the point is, I am very categorical. I support Telangana. But I respect the sentiment and emotions of Rayalaseema. I respect the sentiment and emotions of Rayalaseema, coastal area. I have a respect for them. I have a respect for them also. I cannot say that I stand out only for Telangana and rest of Andhra should go to hell. No. Stand for the whole. Find out the solution. Find out the solution.
And your question, please.
And I'm coming. No, हो गया नहीं, इतना सस्ता नहीं हो गई. हम भी आए पार्लियामेंट में, नहीं हो गया नहीं.
अब उधर कहाँ बोल रहे, इधर बोलिए.
Point is, madam, I plead for peace in Andhra. I plead for peace in Andhra. I plead for ending of turmoil in Andhra. I plead for consensus on this issue in Andhra. I must remind the supporters of Telangana that you cannot get your demand realized through coercion. You cannot get the demand of Telangana through coercion. You cannot do it. Therefore, yes, I agree with you that there should be consensus. But you take the steps. You are only responding when she is raising it.
Please address the chair. What is happening? Das Gupta ji, you are so senior.
I support Telangana. I respect Rayalaseema. I support Telangana. I respect the coastal region. I support.
All right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Madam,
Sarve Satyanarayana. Now you said what you had to say. Now please take your seat.
Madam, what I'm saying, please, what I'm saying, that while supporting the people of Telangana, I do not show any disrespect to you. There has to be a consensus. Transition can only take place through a peaceful way in a democratic system. I want a democratic and peaceful system.
Thank you. Shri Sarve Satyanarayana.
Madam Speaker, I thank you very much, Madam, for giving me an opportunity to speak in this August House.
अच्छा ठीक है, आपका हो गया ना, आपका हो गया, आप बैठ जाइए, आप ही बैठ जाइए, हाँ बोलिए. फिर खड़े क्यों हो गए, आप बैठ जाइए. Yes.
Madam Speaker, I thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to speak in this August House, Madam. On the issue of Telangana, from where I come from, Madam. I am a Pakka Telanganite, and you know, people in Telangana are sacrificing their lives. They are committing suicides, Madam. It's a very sensitive issue. The whole Telangana is burning there. As you said, even Andhra also is burning, Madam. People of Telangana
nothing else will go in the court. आप बैठिए. ये क्या परस्पर आप लोग बातें
I appreciate your
address the chair.
See, all these years your party was not supporting, but now that you have come with a statement that you will separate Telangana and understand the sentiments of the people there, we are very much thankful to you. All Telangana is thankful to you. But one personal request is, you should say for separate Telangana, not for Andhra respect and all that. Chidi bhi meri, pad bhi meri, ye ho nahi sakta dada. एक ही बात होना चाहिए. जैसा बीजेपी बोली आज तेलंगाना दे, उस तरीके से तेलंगाना के बारे में मांगो. वो मैं बोल.
क्या हो गया है गुरदास जी?
मैडम
क्या हो गया है? बैठिए, बैठ जाइए.
मैडम स्पीकर,
एड्रेस द चेयर.
जी मैडम.
मैडम स्पीकर,
मैं यहाँ से भगवान से यही प्रार्थना करूंगा कि सोनिया जी हमारी नेतागण UPA chairperson, Congress party leader. You know, I consider always Sonia ji as my mother. She gave me rebirth in politics, madam. अगर वो यहाँ रहती मैडम, सोनिया जी अगर यहाँ रहती ये डिबेट सुनते मैडम, तो डेफिनेटली ये तेलंगाना का इशू वेरी सून एक्सपीडाइट हो सकता था। और आज में हमारे साथ ये यहाँ पे हॉस्पिटलाइज होते हैं। I pray God on behalf of entire Telangana people and this house that God should give her patience, strength, very good health, and she should recover very well, madam. And she must come back. And she must come back with very good health, and she must do justice to the people of Telangana, because she has always been saying that I have not let the people of Telangana down. The chapter on Telangana is not yet closed. The debate on Telangana is still on. That is the reason I have been trying to convince all the political parties, including the opposition, to have a common consensus on Telangana issue. That is why this issue was getting delayed, madam. But due to certain statements, differential statements from the government and from the Congress party and from the other political parties, people of Telangana are at a loss to understand, and they have developed the fear psychosis that Telangana may not be given, and that was the reason, madam, people are committing suicides there. We really do not play with the lives of people now. Even the state of Telangana was a separate state, madam. We were a separate country for that matter. We were Hyderabad state. We got independence only in 1948, not 1947, madam. And we were ruled by the then Nizam. मुल्की रूल था हमारे पास. मुल्की रूल, मुल्क मीन्स देश. उस देश का जो भी रेसिडेंट है वो मुल्की कहलाता. वो कंटिन्यू होना था हमारे पास. वो उस तरीके का स्टेट हमारा. We were merged with the Seamandra people on the basis of linguistic language and all that language. These Seamandra people, they were with Madras state. No doubt they are our brothers and sisters. Madras state को सपोर्ट करने के वास्ते तेलुगु पीपल पूरे एक जगह इकट्ठा होंगे बोल के they wanted to come out from Madras state. They demanded for a separate state, and on the basis of linguistic language and all that, we were asked to forcibly merge with Andhra Pradesh, madam. And that time they have even demanded for Madras state for the Andhra Pradesh, because they have contributed so much for the development of Madras. But Madras was not given to them, as they are now demanding Hyderabad as their right. On the plea that they have contributed so much for the development, and they are also they have demanded those days, but it was not considered too, madam. But Telangana was formed. But on the day when it was formed, madam, as Sushma ji has said, Jawaharlal Nehru ji has commented, Telangana is an innocent baby being married to a mistress by and right. They should live together for long as they can. But if this innocent baby demands a divorce, it should be granted. It should be granted, he said. Jawaharlal Nehru ji, उस दिन जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी 4 तारीख से बोले हैं, और आज उनकी नवासी, आज उनकी पोती सोनिया जी हमारी नेतागण, she is prepared to fulfill that commitment, madam. She understood that lot of injustice is done to people of Telangana. They are being treated as second-class citizens of this country. They are denied justice. Development is not taking place. हमारे बच्चों को पढ़ाई नहीं है, हमारे बच्चों को नौकरियां नहीं है, हमारे पास इंडस्ट्री नहीं है. हम और भी गरीब है, इनोसेंट लोग हैं, अच्छे लोग हैं, हर एक को हम मानते. कॉस्मोपॉलिटन सिचुएशन है हमारा, सबको हम चाहते. आज भी तेलंगाना के क्रिएशन के बाद भी we allow everyone to stay in Telangana. It's we not ask anybody to go away from Telangana, as KCR has said. Telangana wale jago, Andhra wale bhago. Congress is not against bhago, not for the bhago slogan, and we are not for bhago slogan. Everybody should leave. Why we are demanding Telangana? Telangana is for self-respect and self-governance, madam, and smaller states are faster development. That is the reason. That is the reason, we have been demanding Telangana. So many people have laid their lives. Even after the 9th statement was made by the Honorable Home Minister in this house, then both the House of Parliament, again when 23rd there was a statement issued by the government, people have lost their lives. More than 600 people have died. We are very sorry to say this, madam. As she has rightly pointed out, 1% 20 years का बच्चा है, मैडम, त्यागी रेड्डी आके सुसाइड कर लिया. पुलिस वाले, नौकरी करने वाले, कांस्टेबल